What's going on, y'all? As y'all can see, my energy is up. College football playoffs have started. We are up with Janet Jackson, Black Cat. I don't know what I'm expecting this song to sound like. I don't know if it's going to be like a sexy, seductive route, you know, like Black Cat, or if it's going to be like a Black Cat, like that type of feel. I don't think there's no in between. It's either like either or, but we're gonna see. So I'm not gonna hold y'all any longer because I gotta watch the game after this. We're gonna get into it.
Ain't no acid in this house.
The shit roar? Okay, so it's selected. Now, the song hasn't started yet, but from the way the video is shot, the different scenes and everything, I'm assuming it's going to be like a rocker style song, which is going to be interesting because Janet Jackson can do different genres, and rock is definitely one of them, where I think she has a lot of songs that, I don't know. I think like if she would do rock songs that they would be successful and they would sound good. We're going to find out, but I think this genre would definitely fit her niche. I don't know who that background dancer was, but it's the most replayed part for a reason. The way Buddy just hit that, the way he just cut a rug, I gotta find that, bro. Look how he played the guitar too. That's what I'm talking about. Now, who started it? Cause Janet has this look, and let's be real, Mike got the same wig in his closet, bro. Mike has the exact same look. But I wonder, was Mike inspired by the Black Cat? Or was Janet inspired by Dirty Diana? When did this come out? Ooh, Dirty Diana dropped first. So is this like inspired by Dirty Diana? Because everything is very close. Everything. They grooving in the bro. I went to a Drake concert. I don't think we really moving like that to a Drake concert, and that was like last year. But bro, this era, this whole part is the most replayed section. Y'all was having a black. Janet, she did something with this one. The football game might have to wait, bro. But look how they dancing in the crowd. Like this is the one. This is the one, bro. Yeah, they in there grooving. Janet! Janet! How versatile are you? Wow. Completely underestimated in my book. You know what I'm saying? I knew Janet was big, but I still underestimated how large she was. She was doing the Super Bowl, but I was a kid at the time. Yeah. Very, very versatile. And I apologize to you. Because you were very underestimated in my book starting off. But this is why I'm glad I do YouTube and do the reactions, because I just realized I thought I was woke. You know what I'm saying? I thought I was woke, but I was asleep this whole time. I promise I was asleep. Great slogan. Yeah. I just need Janet to hit some footwork. Bro, all I need before this video ends is Janet. I need some footwork, please. I just need a little bit. Come on, please. I need that. But the guitar, even down to the vocals, the way that she's drawing out some of the words, the strain that she's putting in on her voice, on her vocals, like I guess to make it sound more rocker-ish, but it fits, bro. It fits. Way to be able to go from R&B to pop to rock. What else you got? What else, kid? I mean, if you hang around, where you from, Indiana? That's up there, bro. You come to Georgia, you come to Florida for a little bit. Yeah, we can get you in the country. We can get you, maybe you can have like a little country here. We can get you like a little country accent. You hang around us long enough. I don't know. But, like I said, I apologize for underestimating you like this. I was wrong. It's crazy because I just said on the last video, I want to learn how to play the Spanish guitar, and if I have to substitute that for electric guitar, I'll put that over the electric guitar. I lied, bro. Bump? Nah, I mean, because you could probably get off to a Spanish guitar, and I just never heard it. But sometimes I want to sound, you know what I'm saying? I want to sound suave. But, bro, the way he just shredded that guitar, oh my gosh. Oh, I just feel like it's principle. When you playing a guitar like that, when you shredding, you gotta have one tear, bro. It gotta come down, either cheek. If you want to do both, that's cool too, but you gotta have one. You gotta like really, I feel like a guitar is something you gotta play with your heart. I really feel that way. Like, you have to play with your emotions on that guitar. the seventh day he rested,
Black cat. Man, I don't understand your ways. Living in the image.
Hey, what I tell y'all, when it comes to Janet Adlibs, she's underrated in that too, bro. She out here, hey, like, come on, Janet. Yes, ma'am, Janet. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Come on, bro. I don't know what this is. Listen. Like, come on, dog. Like, what is it? My guy on the guitar hit that, bro. Respect. That whole performance was fun, top notch, bro. Very envious of the people who actually got a chance to attend and have memories of that concert. That was a top tier concert. If you look at the crowd, go back and look at the crowd. People are dancing, having fun the whole time. That everybody on stage. That looks like a fun set. I know they had fun performing that, and I know rehearsal for that performance was fun too, bro. I know it had to be. But it's probably like, what, the second quarter? I'm out of here, bro. That's all I got for the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that like button, true rocks your boy. Make sure you subscribe, comment, let me know what videos you want to see me react to next. But that's all I got for y'all. Go Dogs. I'm up out of here.